Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to help you in fixing the network connectivity issue. Okay, uh, in the newly installed Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay, that you're hosting particularly on VMware Workstation Pro software. So let's quickly begin, guys. Let me do a full screen, and you can see here what I'm talking about. The internet icon just says not connected, no connections are available. However, it's not true. I have my Wi-Fi connection active, as well as I have my default gateway, which is my router. It's up and running. All right. So let me quickly go back out of the full screen mode and show you something over here. So let's do a quick search. Right click. Let's right click on the Windows 10 active tab. Let's go to network adapter over here. Right, so this is what I was talking about, guys. There are a couple of modes available over here under network connection. Bridged, if you change to bridged, it means the IP will be reserved, okay, from your local area network. Okay, so the IP will be uh, a private IP that will contain the series 192 from the series 192.168.0.100 and above series. Okay, however, if you are selecting NAT, it will be your IP address will be randomized and you will become an anonymized user. That is default. Okay, which is selected by default uh, during the course of the installation of the virtual machine, post which it gets selected as NAT. We need to ensure one thing over here: why the network is not currently not connected. We just have to open the network and internet settings. Okay, let's click on troubleshoot, guys. Let's see what's the problem. So plug an ethernet cable into the network adapter. Check to see, let's say check to see if the problem is fixed. It will try auto resolving the problems. If it's not able to resolve, then probably you need to try and look into other steps. So currently it says ethernet cable is not properly plugged in or might be broken. So this is not the case, guys. Since this is a virtual machine, it does not have an idea about your ethernet interface. Okay, just giving a random suggestion. So let's first close the troubleshooter. What we will do is try going to change network adapter and just try something over here. Rather, what I will do is I will just go and power off the guest just now by right clicking. I'm just going to power off this virtual machine just now, and what I'm just going to do is right click, settings, network adapter. What I'm just going to do is just select bridged and just say okay to this. And after which, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try powering on the virtual machine and see if that resolves the issue. Did I changed the network adapter mode to bridge, guys, and I've just rebooted the virtual machine, and I am on my logon page where I've put in my password and hit enter. It's taking a bit of time to get into the desktop menu. So, guys, I'm still not able to see my virtual machine getting connected to internet just now. I'm just going to open the network and sharing center once again, and I'll just click on this Ethernet connection over here. I think that has connected. So what I'm seeing just now is, guys, do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable? And we recommend allowing this on your home and work network, guys. Just going to say yes to this and see if that fixes the problem. Yeah, there you go, guys. Now I have the internet access. All right, so that has fixed my problem. What I did, I just opened the network and sharing center, and I just clicked on this Ethernet over here. This Ethernet option over here, automatically I received a pop-up and I just said yes to it. Basically, the my PC, with that with me saying yes to that pop-up, which meant the network discovery for my for this particular virtual machine was enabled by answering yes to that pop-up, and that has fixed the internet connectivity issue, guys. Okay, but and let me quickly get on to my command prompt wizard, and I'm just going to type ipconfig. And as you can see, guys, the IP address is 192.168.0.103, which is a private IP assigned within my that is local to my local area network, that is native to my local area network. All right, and when we say this IP address, right, in the series 192.168.0.103, basically these are private IP ranges, which is called as RFC 1918 series of IP addresses. That is usually called for any IP address that falls within the private IP ranges category. All right, so that's a piece of info I wanted to give. And then it's important, guys, you install tools over here. Okay, there is a pop-up that comes install tools, which is nothing but it is going to install VMware tools, that is pivotal for your virtual machines if you're hosting it on VMware workstation software. Okay, and I think I have already installed the VMware tools, guys. You just have to do it by going to VM tab, just say install VMware tools. Okay, I think it's currently in progress, and I think you just have to run the setup.exe file over here, say yes to this pop-up. That's going to install VMware product related tools for your virtual machine. All right, and one more thing I wanted to give as a for your info is that I'm just going to install these VMware tools just now. Right, let's wait for the VMware tools to complete, the installation to complete. So the steps that I'm going to share is just going to be for your information. Okay, in case if the network connectivity issue does not go away even after the steps that I have demonstrated in this video, you can try that steps. That will also help you in resolving the network connectivity issue uh, of your virtual machine. Okay, so that has completed. You must restart your system for the configuration. Yeah, let me do a quick restart of my virtual machine. And whilst this restarts, let me show you one thing, guys, on another thing that you can do to resolve the network connectivity issue. Okay, after you have installed your virtual machine successfully, what you need to do is just go to edit option on top left corner, just say virtual network editor. Okay, so what you need to do is your mode, right, your adapter. Okay, the virtual machine network, you can edit the network properties. Okay, what you need to do is just select the first one and say change settings, say yes to this pop-up. Just wait for some time. think it has opened up here. And here what you need to do is you need to select the mode of your network adapter. Okay, like I said previously, I showed you how to change it from here locally within the virtual machine by right clicking, going on to settings tab, and selecting network adapter, and you change from NAT to bridged. And once you do that, you need to ensure that here as well that's reflected. Okay, basically it's reflected over here. Okay, my VM network uh, interface settings shows up as bridged over here. However, in some cases this may still be as NAT over here as default, and hence the network connectivity issue could be present. Okay, basically you need to switch to bridged over here too. Okay, and then say apply to the setting and go and say okay, and after which your network connectivity issue will get resolved. Okay, this is a rare case scenario I'm talking about. Okay, by just changing over here, by going right clicking on the virtual machine tab here, and just going on to network adapter and switching it to bridged over here itself is going to resolve your network connectivity issue. But sometimes after you have switched over to bridged, here in virtual network editor, the settings, right, it will still be in NAT mode. Hence what you need to do is you need to change it to bridged coming over here too. All right, and then what you need to do is after you change it, make sure you select automatic, or you can just select any interface over here. You can make it to Intel, that should be fine too, or you make it automatic. Okay, it is going to pick up any of the adapter that is available locally on your computer, and just say apply to it, after which your network connectivity issue should be resolved. All right, and also you need to make sure use the network and sharing center. Right after you open the network sharing center, you have the network troubleshooter that will first that will be the first step to fix the network connectivity issue. It will automatically resolve any issues that it is foreseeing and that needs to be addressed. It will be able to resolve, and other than that, if it is not able to fix the issue, you can follow the rest of the steps that I have shown you early on the earlier part of this video. Okay, and I hope all these steps will help you in resolving your network connectivity issue. And with this, I will just end this video here, and hopefully I hope this video turned helpful to you. Okay, and if you like this video, please hit the support button and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more useful content like this uh, with regards to computer. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day.